welcome to the first of hopefully many editions of Tractor Tales. Guys, today we're going to go over my personal tractor, my steak sauce, if you will, my A1. My 70 John Deere, the one I call the electric elk. You might be thinking, why elk? Well, what's an elk? A big ass deer. And they're saying it's big ass deer. It is 920 cubes, so fairly good size. I mean, definitely not the biggest out there by any means, but respectable and healthy. I bought this tractor in fall of 2022 from Harold and Brad Fisher out of Jonesburg, Missouri. A couple of great guys. They pulled this tractor in the unstyled G for years and years all across Missouri and into Illinois and the whole surrounding area, really. And they decided that they only wanted one tractor and let this one go, and I was lucky enough to buy it. Done a few updates on it since I bought the thing. Between me and Mark Lawrence, we changed a hell of a lot on it, really. Everything from rear wheels to the head. It's all been changed and updated and the latest and greatest now. But yeah, it did start life as a all-fuel 70, not a gasser, but an all-fuel. A few little differences between those, compression ratios, heads, pistons, a few little things like that. Why they went with an all-fuel instead of a gasser, well, that would be because on an all-fuel tractor, it's got a 9-volt head like how a G does. And by having that same bolt pattern, you can use a lot of G parts on these 70s and really make something out of it. But we'll fire her up and let her sit here and idle for a few minutes, or a few moments, and let you enjoy the wonderful sound that is Big Cube 2-cylinder. But yeah, that's kind of an overview of the electric elk. If you have any more questions or comments or whatever, leave them down below in the comment section and make sure to give the video a like. Here's one of the better hooks from this past season with this tractor. Thank you. we'll just kind of give a quick walk around of the tractor also. Don't mind the mess that is my shop. Well, water leak, but got it taken care of. Also, we've got my A and my unstyled G back here. Like it says right here, it's alright to be an asshole if you're good.